once again. You are welcome to TGM Agricultural Research Center. My name is Tarek Michael. Today we are going to show you how to disinfect the shaving that we are going to use to replace the one that we used already. The one we are using for our pullets already has been polluted, so we want to change it. So look at the shaving. We are trying to disinfect it. Look at the chemical. This chemical, Vincocaine. Vincocaine is a very good disinfectant. It's the one we are using now. We add the small quantity of it into the water and we are using it to disinfect the shaving. Look at the shaving. We are disinfecting the shaving so that the sun will beat it for maybe like 2 hours time. The sun will beat the shaving and the chemical we spray on it will dry. So this chemical is not poisonous to the birds. That's why it's highly recommended and it's very good. Vincocaine. So we are disinfecting it. So I think we're rounding it up now. So this is very good. It's a very good method so that to avoid any kind of infection in your farm. It's very good method. So you can use it that way so that you leave it for maybe like 2 hours for the sun to dry it up. So thank you very much. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel so that in the next video we are going to upload, you'll be the first person to be notified. Thank you very much. Welcome.